In Office 2019, I'm going to show you how to make the page larger or smaller. You can make the page larger simply by holding down the Control key and zooming up on the mouse. Notice also that the text size gets larger as well. Now, when you go to print this, it's not going to be a larger text size. It's still going to be the same size when it was set to 100%. So there's another way we can also resize this, and it'll make more sense in a second. So we click on the View tab at the top. If we click on 100%, it takes us back to our original size. So if I were to print this out on paper, it would look the exact size that you see here. If I click on the Zoom button and change to 200%, then once again the text size gets larger, but if I go to print it out, it's still going to look like it did at 100%. So the thing to keep in mind here is that even if you do zoom in on the page so you can make it easier to see, it's not going to get larger when you go to print. And that's how you zoom in on Office Word 2019.